Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can make a printable mini junk journal using a full-size printable junk journal kit. You can of course purchase mini journals that are sized and ready to print and assemble. These types of printable journals are in fact some of my best-selling printables. But if you already have some full-size printable journal kits, you can easily print them out to make them smaller. To get started, you first need a standard size printable junk journal kit. These kits are normally sized at either 8.5 by 11 or 7 by 10. However, other similar sizes will work as well. The printable file should be in PDF format. If your printables are in individual files, such as JPG or PNG, you can easily compile them into a PDF document using a free online compiler such as jpg to pdf.com. Upload your image files, then press the Combined button to download. Open the file in a PDF reader such as Adobe Reader. Click the print icon, and in the printer settings you'll see an option to print multiple PDF pages on one piece of copy paper. The wording may be different depending on what type of software you're using, however you should still have the option to print multiple pages. You can select from a number of different presets such as 2, 4 or even 6 pages. This set of 4 per page will make a mini journal of approximately 2.5 inches wide by 3 3/4 inches high. If printing 6 per page, the size will be approximately 1 3/4 inches wide by 3 inches high. Print the journal pages onto good quality copy paper. I like to use 24-pound or similar weight, which is slightly thicker than standard copy paper. Then print the elements onto a piece of cardstock, which is more durable than copy paper, so when handling, the small pieces won't tear. Once all the pages are printed, cut out all the pieces. To make the pages, glue the pages back to back using a glue stick or double-sided tape. Then fold the pages in half and press a crease down the centre. If there are any white edges showing, trim them with a pair of scissors or wipe the edges with an ink pad. Assemble the pages into signatures. I'm using 2 folded pages per signature to make 3 signatures. Stack the signatures together and measure across the width. Then cut a piece of cardstock or manila folder about 1/8 inch larger than the pages along the top, bottom and outer edge, plus the width of the signatures. This will be the cover. Using a creasing tool, make 2 folds down the centre the width of the signatures to create a spine section. My page size is 2.5 by 3 3/4, so I've cut a piece of manila folder 5 3/8 inch wide by 4 inches high. To make the cover, cut 2 of the printable pages in half and trim to size if necessary. These will be glued to the front and the inside covers. If you want, you can wipe the edges with an ink pad to stain them. Glue the pages to the inside and outside of the front and back covers. The signatures will be sewn into the spine using a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. On the inside spine section of the cover, mark 3 rows of 3 dots evenly spaced along the length. Align each of the signatures along the marked spine section and transfer the marks to the folded edge. Using a bookbinding awl, punch holes through each of the marks on the cover and the signatures. Cut a length of embroidery thread or bookbinding thread about twice the length of the page and thread it through an embroidery needle. With the first signature positioned inside the cover and starting with the middle hole, push the needle through the signature and through the centre hole in the cover. Leave a 3 to 4 inch tail of thread inside the signature. This will be used to tie off the thread once the signature is sewn in. Push the needle through the next hole on the cover, back to the inside and through the signature. Then back to the outside through the middle hole. Then back to the inside through the last hole. Make sure the thread is taut, Then tie the thread off in a secure knot and trim away the excess. Sew the remaining signatures into the cover in the same way. To finish the cover, you can conceal the stitching on the spine if you want to by gluing on a piece of lace or ribbon along the length. After the journal is completed, you can then add the pockets and other elements to the pages. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also visit my website where you'll find free tutorials and printables for creative journaling.